วัสดีค่ะน้องชื่ออะไรคะมา what is my name ดีนะดีนะวัคซีน for you วัคซีนเดี๋ยวป้าฉีดวัคซีนให้นะคะมาจากโรงเรียนไหนคะโรงเรียนอะไร
มาดีค่ะ
โอ้เอาพูดภาษาไทยได้ชั้นปไหนลูก
ป.3
ค่ะป.3 ทับอะไรคะ
3
ทับ3คุณครูประจำชั้นชื่ออะไรคะ
ชื่อวันค่ะ
ค่ะมีทับนี่ลูกทับเก่งมากเก่งมากนิ่งๆไว้นะคะนิ่งๆนะคะสู้ๆนะคะโอเคค่ะโอเคค่ะผู้ปกครองรอข้างนอกนะคะ ให้เด็กนั่งเก้าอี้ค่ะเอาใบให้เด็กเลยค่ะเอาใบให้เด็กนั่งเก้าอี้ไว้นะคะเก่งมากเก่งมากเยี่ยมเลยนะคะเยี่ยมเลยเก่งมากค่ะสวัสดีค่ะมาจากโรงเรียนไหนคะค่ะชั้นป.ไหนคะชั้นป.ไหนคะชั้นป.ไหนชั้นไหนอยู่ชั้นไหนเก่งมากเก่งมากเก่งมากคุณครูประจำชั้นชื่ออะไรคะคุณครูชื่ออะไรคุณครู
จำไม่ได้
โอเคค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะเก่งมาก
Hello
Where are we going today?
We're going to the vaccine.
What vaccine? Kemsol. Yes, this is their second dose pala.
And we're taking a video on our vaccine.
Yes. Are you scared? Nervous?
No, I just bring this if I get scared.
Oh, good.
Well, do you need a binoculars for your face? To see the doctor?
Yes, to see the shot inside. Isn't it, Faye? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to the health center to have the second dose vaccine. Yes?
What do we get?
Well, do you still need a prize?
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna go home to take a rest.
To open the present.
Oh yeah, we will have that
Surprise.
after.
That's our prize.
Okay, no crying na.
If we cry, we'll not open the present.
Yes
Okay.
We'll
Yes.
just sleep.
Yes. Bakit ba mga bata ayaw mag-sleep? Pag mga tatanda na, gusto mag-sleep, di ba, Daddy?
Oo Hindi mo makasleep
Di mo
Dahil may
makasleep.
work.
Kasi may work. At may wino-work out. Are you excited, kids?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I get excited.
Okay, see you later.
I just excited.
We're here. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung maraming tao today.
Medyo
Sana makaano kami. Pero last Wednesday, nakapagpa-reserve na kami ng pila. So, let's see. Titingnan natin yung connection natin inside. Kung gagana yung connection natin. Kasi medyo may konting connection tayo ngayon. Yung estudyante niya, nanay ng estudyante niya, healthcare worker or nurse na nagba-vaccine inside. So, let's see kung
She offer
nag-offer naman siya na i-ano kami ng pila. So, sana gumana. Okay? Let's
See you
go.
inside
See you inside. Let's go! Yay, we're here. Andito na ulit tayo for the second dose. And as you can see, maraming kids. Kasi Kids Day today. Ayun. Let's go. Sit down muna, baby. Okay, so we need to have our tea.
What is my name? Diana. Diana. Vaccine for you. วัคซีนเดี๋ยวป้าฉีดวัคซีนให้นะคะมาจากโรงเรียนไหนคะโรงเรียนอะไร
มาดีค่ะ
โอ้เอาพูดภาษาไทยได้ชั้นปไหนลูก
ปสามค่ะ
ค่ะปสามทับอะไรคะ
สาม
ทับสามคุณครูประจำชั้นชื่ออะไรคะ
ทุกวันค่ะ
ค่ะมือเท้าสะอื่นนี่ลูกเท้าสะอื่นโอ้เก่งมากเก่งมากนิ่งๆไว้นะคะนิ่งๆนะคะสู้ๆนะคะโอเคค่ะโอเคค่ะผู้ปกครองรอข้างนอกนะคะ ให้เด็กนั่งเก้าอี้ค่ะเอาใบให้เด็กเลยค่ะเอาใบให้เด็กแล้วนั่งเก้าอี้ไว้นะคะ
เก่งมาก
เก่งมากเยี่ยมเลยนะคะ เยี่ยมเลยเก่งมากค่ะสวัสดีค่ะโรงเรียนไหนคะค่ะชั้นปไหนคะชั้นปไหนคะชั้นปไหนอยู่ชั้นไหนอยู่ชั้นไหน เก่งมากเก่งมากเก่งมากคุณครูประจำชั้นชื่ออะไรคะคุณครูชื่ออะไรคุณครู
จำไม่ได้
จำไม่ได้โอเคค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
ค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ เก่งมาก
Done? Is it?
Here.
Yeah.
What did they ask, ate?
They asked about my name,
Uh-huh.
about my teacher's name,
Teacher's name?
and what are my slash, bar 9.
Ponay. Top 9, yes.
Yeah, and he asked me what's my school.
Okay. So what are your answers? What are your answers?
Mari.
So what's the name of your school?
Mari.
And who is your Krupa Shamshan?
Kunku and Penny.
Uh-huh. How about you, Faye? What did she ask?
The only thing she didn't
What did she ask?
about the teacher's name.
What's the nickname of your teacher? Kunkrutik? Kunkrutik? Yes? No?
She cannot remember.
Hi, Daddy.
Actually, we're planning to have a vaccine today, but 2 days ago we changed our mind.
Yeah. It should be our
Fourth
fourth
Yeah.
dose booster.
second booster.
Yeah, second booster.
Let's see. We're planning to have on July.
Yes, in July we're gonna have it. But for these two kids,
Where are you at it?
the second dose vaccine
Done.
done. Yay! Good job, girl. Actually, Monday today. Oh, ขอบคุณค่ะ
ถ้าน้องมีค่อยๆน้องมีจากร้านครับ
Okay. ขอบคุณมากครับ
So we got it. We are ready to go.
Yes. Their certificate,
Yes.
vaccination certificate
Wait, where is everyone?
here.
But I wanna see.
Actually, Monday today, dapat asa school kami. Pero today,
Our today.
may vaccination din ng mga students namin. It's their booster shot. So, wala kaming klase. Hindi kami nagbubulakbol. Wala kaming klase. Kasi nga, yung mga students. But it's up to the students kung magbo-booster shot sila. And then this morning, nakita namin yung mga bata. Most of them, hindi na nagpa-booster. Marami sa kanila hindi na nagpa-booster. And then they're just staying at school and doing some of their work and projects and homework. So, ayun. So, ang mga teacher, si Teacher Rex at si Teacher Irish, dinala ang mga anak para magpa second dose. Asya.
And there.
Okay, we're done. Just easy busy. Walang masyadong pila today.
No, we're cute.
Oh, wala. And kokonti lang yung tao ngayon kung nakikita ninyo. Tapos, talagang today, every Monday, dito sa TH, ang vaccination for kids. Every Monday lang siya, or Friday. But it's easier dito if every Monday. So, this is only for the kids and adults too. And then bukas, from Monday to Friday ang adults. Yes. But every
Thursday.
Monday, Thursday. But every Monday, for kids sila. Okay? So, ayan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, be safe everyone. I hope na you get your own vaccines too. It's not really that dangerous. So, it will help you to, boost your
If you
immune
love your
system.
loved ones,
Yes. Love your loved ones.
love yourself.
Love yourself. So, have vaccine. It's not about you cannot get the COVID or magiging, invincible ka against COVID. The thing is, mas mababa yung
That way.
death rate if you got this COVID vaccines. So they got Pfizer again for the second dose. Okay, so I hope we have given you the inspiration to do the vaccine. Because dito sa Thailand, we got a lot of student COVID cases.
But after 3
But
days,
after 3 days,
Nothing
5 days, because kompleto na sila ng vaccine. They got the first dose and then the second dose, all of the students in our school. Kaya, nung tamaan sila ng COVID, it's like asymptomatic na yung iba, and then yung iba, they just need to take a rest. And then after 3 to 5 days, okay na sila. Pasok na uli. Pasok na uli sa school. And then I was asking them, how are you? And then they said, oh, it's just like a fever, teacher, and like a sore throat. And then after 3 to 5 days, I'm okay. So that's it. Ganun na lang ngayon sa school. So it means COVID-19 right now is not that scary because of the vaccine. So malaking tulong yung vaccine. Kaya kami kahit hindi kami tinatamaan ng COVID, sa awa ng Diyos, so pa-vaccine pa rin kami. Ano, Daddy?
yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
So,
Also the kids.
be safe. Bye-bye. Bye! See you next time!